Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'll meet us in the kitchen again. Today's show is we are going to make what we call chicken afritada. That's in Filipino, but it's basically like a chicken stew. Okay, so that will be our recipe for today's. Ingredients for our cooking today is chicken, red bell peppers, they're actually green and red bell peppers, red potato, we have yellow onion, we have green peas, and garlic, tomato paste, and we have for seasoning is chicken powder, ground black peppers, bay leaves, soy sauce, and sugar. So now we can add our, I'm using canola oil. We add our chopped garlic. This is about, I would say, maybe 6 cloves of garlic, because what we're cooking today is, this is actually a whole chicken. I chopped it into like this size, bigger size. All right, so we add our garlic. Stir it. Adjust your heat, and then we will add our chicken. You just dump everything in there, stir it. Stir. And we don't have to season this for now, guys. We can season it later. We just have to make sure all the garlic is mixed into the chicken. Okay, and then after you all mix that up, you cover it, and we will cook it for like 10-15 minutes. We want the chicken to cook ahead of time. Okay, and then after that we can add the rest of our ingredients and seasonings. All right, so we will come back to that. Alrighty, let's check. Our chicken is cooking ahead. Okay, now we are ready to put our potato. All right, we're gonna dump water on the potato, because I actually soak it with water, because it turns brown if you don't soak it in water. And we put our potato in. Okay, and then we season them. We do half of the chicken powder. We have our bay leaf, our black pepper, our soy sauce, and tomato paste. Alright, and then we'll mix them. We'll mix it. Okay. And then after this, we have to cover it again, and then we wait it. We'll wait it for another 5-10 minutes to 15 minutes until the potato is cooked. Okay, and then when we come back, we will add our onion, bell pepper, and the green peas, and then we will taste it. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, let's check our potato. I want to make sure the potato is cooked. No, not yet, guys. Not yet. This needs simmering a little longer. You see the tomato paste? This is starting to thicken the sauce now. Okay, so I want the potato to be almost cooked, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Let me just taste it though. Yeah, it's good. I didn't even put sugar in here. Oh, tasty. My goodness, my cooking surprised me, you know, all the time. It's like my first time. Okay, guys. We have to let it cook more minutes, okay? Hopefully 10 minutes. 10 minutes more. And hopefully the potato is the right, how do you call that? Consistency? Is it consistency? Like I just want the potato to be, you know, like soft enough to add the bell peppers and the green beans and the onion, because they cook very fast. They only take, you know, another 5 minutes to cook. So we want our chicken and potato to be perfect. Does that sound good? All right. All right. It's time to check our chicken and potato. Let's see if the potato is ready this time. See, guys? Right in. That's perfect. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. And then also the chicken is also done. See? Chicken. Okay. Because the season is perfectly. We probably just have to touch up a little bit on our seasoning. So now the chicken is ready and the potato is also ready. We can add our onion. You probably wonder, why did you add the onion later? It's because I want to have a crunch a little bit on the vegetable. I don't want it to get mush, you know, like overcooked. I don't want that. But, well, if you like your vegetable that's soft, you can actually add it, you know, like maybe longer, you know, while you were like halfway cooking to your potato. You can add that together. And then we can also add our, I'm not sure if I'm gonna, oh maybe, the green peas. I get confused with this green beans, green peas, but it's green peas. And you just add it. So this chicken afritada, guys, oh, I can actually just put everything in. Has lots of vegetable in it. All right, you see the sauce is thickening because of the tomato paste, and also the chicken releases some juice to it, so it's not really, it's not dry. Okay, see, there's actually, I mean, like, it looks like there's no sauce, guys, but there's a lot of sauce underneath in the bottom of this pan actually. So now that we put the bell peppers and the onion and also the green peas, we will taste it again. Okay, look how thick the sauce, guys. This is what you want. Perfect, perfect. Just add a little more of black pepper. Alrighty, and then we will cover it again for another, I would say, 5 minutes, just to cook a little for those green bell peppers and the onion. All right, because the chicken and the potato is already done, so we just wanna tenderize the bell peppers and the onion a little bit. Okay, another waiting game. And then adjust the heat to medium high, and then we'll come back in 5 minutes and the recipe should be done. And now I'm gonna show you how to plate it. Okay, see you in a bit. All right, final check. Oh my goodness, it's smelling good, guys. Smells so good. Wow, look at this. You see, this is what you want. The onion, the bell pepper, it's not overcooked. And look at this color. It's very colorful. And then the sauce is thickened. So there's sauce, guys. See, there's a lot of sauce on the bottom. Okay, and this is actually done. This is done. So these recipes take less than an hour, I should say. Yeah, less than an hour. And you can cook this quicker if you only cook like half of the chicken. But again, this one cook a little longer because this is a whole chicken. All right. Last but not the least, taste. Yep, it's good. It's good to me. Perfect. Perfect. See, this is like a restaurant recipe, guys. All right. So we're gonna turn off the heat because this is done, and we'll plate it. So I'm gonna plate it like how you serve it in the restaurant, okay? We got some chicken wings, we have some drumstick, a little bit of the backbone side, back part, and then we have some breasts, part of the breast, and then here, and you add a little bit of potato. Oh, not the bay leaves. Nobody wants to eat the bay leaves. Okay? And more of the bell pepper. Potato on the side. A little more in the back. And then you put some sauce. Some onion. There you go, guys. This is our recipe for today's episode. Chicken afritada. What we call here chicken stew. Okay? So, if you like this recipe, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and try it for yourself. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you in the next show. You take care. Bye.